Okay. Oriented. Why do some people prefer to work by themselves?
Um, I believe that some people
Mm,
uh, prefer to work their own and like showcase their own to
mm,
to the audience or to the public is because like so that they could also they could take all of the credit and like and they could also develop new ideas and create new things at their own pace
mm.
rather than working with other where you gotta follow
Others.
uh
Mm,
yes
mm. Okay. Rather than working with
what
others. Okay, pretty
others.
good as. Yeah, I also think so. Some people prefer independent. Some people prefer to work independently because they can focus better, they can be more creative, and yeah, they can also go at their own pace. Yes, without any distractions of the group dynamics. Okay, Mapio, what should a
Yes.
leader do to make team members want to follow him or her?
A good leader plays a vital role in a team. They should communicate clearly, listen to everyone's idea, and treat team members fairly. And also, they should communicate. They should also encourage and support the team so everyone feels motivated and and the leader should communicate with people from diverse backgrounds and diverse culture. Yes.
Okay. Yes, I also agree with you. They can also build the rapport between each other, like between the leader and the followers. And also they can build trust by listening actively, or maybe if they demonstrate the integrity, it will be
Mm.
better. And another one is like they can motivate their followers. So these are the things a leader should do to encourage the whole team, like encourage, empower his members, encourage his members. Okay, 回片 should students learn to do group work?
I think it is a really essential skill for a student to learn how to work as a team and especially in group projects and I think having a ability to do perform or do text work as a unity is really effective and like since you can also gather all of the team members' ideas and then combine into one into a really uh, a great one. And also, I believe everyone efforts will make text complete faster, and and the student could learn teamwork by playing team sports or even volunteering.
Mm.
Yeah.
I absolutely agree with that one because teamwork, group work, teamwork, or we can also use the other synonym, collaborative tasks, okay? Because collaborative tasks can cultivate interpersonal skills such as negotiation, communication, conflict resolutions, empathy, sympathy, something like that, right? Which are important for their future professional environments. So I absolutely agree with that statement. But Pio, what group tasks are there in schools?
Students also work together on class presentation, research projects, science experiment, discussions, and sport activities. So these texts teach them how to cooperate and share responsibilities between students
Not between, among students.
and students.
Okay. Uh, Maybe like how about role plays, right? Role plays
Yeah.
or drama performances, group presentations, right? And
Yes.
also like laboratory experiments for science projects. The schools can assign such type of group work or team projects. Okay.